project that we are being funded for is ITTHYNK Tech Academy, where we are building an academy focused on unemployed ICT graduates with the hope that after the program they would find jobs or they would create their own startups. The funding that we're going to receive from SAIS is really going to go a long way in helping us establish the academy, working in a similar space or who's running a social enterprise. I would really encourage you to consider applying for the second round of SAIS, because you could get funding that doesn't really come with a lot of strings attached, and it's not a loan where you have to pay it back or someone is taking equity into your project. Yes, there are requirements that you obviously have to meet. You're not going to just get the funding and do whatever you like with it. But the funding, the way I see it, is really a great starting point in helping you achieve whatever it is that you set out to achieve.